Alright, y'all. I figured I would show you a little bit of railroad history here. What I'm standing next to is this large grain plant that I'd say has remained dormant sometime back in the 80s to 90s. But it looked like that there used to be tracks here that served this plant, and then up here, this little rusty thing sitting here, that's how they loaded the grain cars. And it's unknown how long this facility right here has been abandoned for, but the front door is locked, most likely to prevent vandalism. But as you can see, this is what remains of the old railroad bed here. There's a couple of ties here, and I think there's an old spike sitting there. So there was a railroad right-of-way that I'd say went straight across to this facility right here. So it is evident that they used to see grain traffic at this facility here. Now, the name of the grain facility, which I'm about ready to show you now, and then right here is the Canadian National Champagne District, and what crosses over it is the UP Villa Grove sub. That sees roughly about 10 to 16 trains a day. Used to be more before some of the traffic was rerouted because of the PSR strategy that was implemented. So, I'm gonna go ahead and show you something here. So what you're looking at up there, it's called the Tuscola Corporation Corporative, I think it says, Grain Company. And the fact that it appears that they're, from what it smells like to me, there's a really bad odor that's coming from this plant here for whatever reason. They probably still have grain there on the inside that they forgot to empty out, and that's probably the reason why it smells like that. I'm wondering, when they shut down this plant, why didn't they empty out the grain? Well, this is probably where the trucks came in and loaded the grain from. I'm keeping an eye on those signals, see if they change. But yeah, there's a really bad odor coming from this plant. I say that there must be grain in here that's decaying. But I'm assuming right there is how you would get access to the office that they have in here, where the workers used to come in and work here. So obviously, to prevent vandalism, they have basically put a lock on the door. But anyways, so that concludes the tour of this grain facility sitting here at the here in Tuscola, Illinois. We will stay here for the next hour, hopefully, and then we'll start making our way back to Princeton, Indiana, and we may do some ralphing on the way back. And then maybe later on we'll grab some dinner somewhere. But anyways, there you have it, of the Tuscola Cooperative Grain Company Elevator Plant. Thank you all for watching.